Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change your wallpaper on iPhone. The device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the way to change the wallpaper, you just need to visit the settings, and in this settings you just need to scrolling down until you found this wallpaper section, and then you just need to go click it. And now the phone will be showing the current wallpaper that you use now. But then to add or change the wallpaper, you just need to go click this add new wallpaper, and you can choose either you want to have the photo from your library, or you can also use the feature that provide. And if you want to visit the photo library, just go click these photos and go click all and find out which photo that you want to add. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add, and now you already get this new wallpaper by click this set as wallpaper pair, and this is your current wallpaper. So that's the way how to change wallpaper on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.